welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to also discuss about Phantom wallet. In this video we are going to rename our wallet. Yes, if you have created multiple accounts in your wallets and sometimes you confused which wallet you are going to use, so you must change your wallet name or you can easily rename your wallets. So how can you do? Simple as that. So please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel Crypto Wallet Info and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And also if you need to get same information about Phantom wallets, you just simple go to the click on video portion and then you can see here I have uploaded many videos about Phantom. How can you create the account, how to access the private key, how to find the private key, all videos available on this YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start our video. I'm going to click on Phantom wallet icon. Simple as that. Just enter your password here. If you have applied your password when you want to create account, you must apply your password because some hacker try to hack your account. So if you have applied your password, so your account more secure. Okay, going to click on unlock, and after that you can see here my wallet is open in front of me and there is shown the account number 4. Let's suppose I want to click or I want to use these account which is I have created. You can see account number 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you have created multiple accounts like 10 accounts, 20 accounts, so sometimes you confused which account you want to use. So that is very easy way. You just simple rename the accounts. Let's suppose this is my main account. If I'm going to use this account or change the rename, simple go to the click on manage account. The second option available here, click on this pencil and let's suppose this is my main account. So I just simple click on this wallet and you can see here account name is available here. Simple click on it and you can easily rename like main account. Okay, or you can type a default account or you can type anything else here. Simple save account and go to the back. You can see here shown here main account. That's second account I am using for my client. Let's suppose you can type here the name like Rauf. Simple save and you can see here account is updated and 2 accounts I have named the change, and third account let's suppose I am use this account for my brother for the make the transaction or my family. So simple is that. Brother account, simple save, and you can see here I have successfully changed 3 wallet account name or rename. You can also rename multiple account if you have created because the otherwise you confused. You can see here the account name is shown here. Let's suppose I want to make the transaction for this account or from this account. Simple I click on it, means second account or Rauf account. This is a main account where I have saved my all balance, and other account I have used for sometime or sometime not. Is I just deposit minimal amount on these account, so I can also use these account for the correct the rename of my all wallets. Okay, so I hope you properly understand how can you rename your all wallets name. Simple is that. If you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info and also press the bell icon button. And you can also comment below this video if you face the problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key. So I will read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. So I'll meet with you in a new video. Bye bye.